What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about YFI Yearn Finance, which has gone for a major increase in value. As you guys can see, a huge green candlestick. It is currently trading at $7,211, and yes, with Bitcoin hitting $80,000 earlier on today, literally an hour or two ago, this has had a major impact on the whole crypto market in a positive direction. I did expect Bitcoin to hit $80,000 in the second half of November. However, it has surprised us. So at the moment, we are going to be focusing on YFI, looking at how high it can go. As you guys can see, earlier today, it did head over $8,000. Has taken a little bit of a dip back down right now. So we're going to be going through what is next for this crypto. Is it time to buy it? Is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? And essentially looking at its prediction for the rest of 2024 and going into 2025, what can we expect? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, YFI has effectively literally just broken out from the red zone into the green zone earlier today with zero resistance, which is quite of a worry. Reason being is when there's no resistance, it is likely the crypto is overvalued and likely to drop back down like it has been over the last hour or two. It has been dropping down in value, and it is also likely to head back down into the red zone, but I will be going through that very shortly. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of YFI, which is here in purple. Currently trading it at $5,000. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. However, due to the major difference between the two values here, there is a chance the crypto is again overvalued. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I would not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction. Reason is looking quite negative is because of the drop that's been taking place over the last 2 hours. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep dropping in value, hitting red candles and essentially crashing back down. However, that is not what I'm expecting. Reason being is going for a price correction right now, as it was overvalued like I mentioned earlier on in the video, and it is likely to hit a few more red candles over the next couple of hours before it recovers, heading up to around $8,000 towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow is what my expectations are at the moment. However, if there are any changes to that or in the crypto market in general, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, we are looking at the MACD indicator here. We can see that the two lines are going in opposite direction to each other. We've got the blue line looking quite negative and the orange line looking quite positive. However, the orange line is looking a little bit too steep to be realistic, meaning over the next 7 to 8 days, by the end of next week, I'm expecting YFI to be trading, yes, at a higher value than where it is at the moment. However, it is likely to be quite of a wave, guys. I'm expecting red and green candles in between. So early to mid next week, I'm expecting not just YFI but the crypto market in general, including Bitcoin, to take a little bit of a step back in value, so dropping back down. Nothing major. However, by mid to end of next week, it should recover and head back up, and we should also see Bitcoin hitting a new all-time high, essentially trading around $83,000 to $84,000, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market. And YFI should also be heading upwards closer to $8,500 to $9,000 is what my predictions are at the moment. So Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we are looking way too steep to be realistic. Once again, we've got both the blue and the orange line looking way too bullish. Reason being is because of the major pump that's been taking place over the last week or so. The crypto market, or the graph even, thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace. However, that is not the case, guys. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks towards the end of this year, early next year, even though I'm expecting an overall increase in value from YFI, I'm also expecting red days as well as red weeks in between, where it's likely to go for a price correction. Even dropping down closer to $6,000 is what I'm expecting. So end of December, early 2025, yes, I'm saying it right now, YFI should be heading over $10,000, guys, and Bitcoin should be getting closer to the $100,000 mark potentially over the next 2 to 3 months, which should have a major positive impact on the crypto market. However, I'm keeping you guys updated on a daily basis on the crypto market, on what to expect and what to predict, just to keep you guys in the loop on what to expect. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as mentioned earlier on in the video, it is currently in the green zone. However, as you guys can see, it is getting closer and closer to the resistance level here, and it is likely to head back down into the red zone over the next couple of days, and then essentially pumping back up into the green zone by mid to late November. So as I mentioned, quite of a wave is what I'm expecting at the moment, but again, do expect bullish as well as bearish days. So I'm going to get rid of the Fibonacci scale here, and heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 800% in the last 24 hours, which is absolutely amazing. And the trading volume at the moment is $235 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase. Reason being is, of course, the major pump that took place earlier on the day. However, right now it is going for a little bit of a step back. However, that is due to the major pump that took place. So can YFI hit the $10,000 mark by the end of the year? Personally, it should be able to hit that target towards the very end of this year or early next year. Let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. Until then, take care and peace.